Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel by visiting me and just spending some time with me, and I greatly appreciate it. Okay, this is a Coach and bagging from shopgoodwill.com, and way this was sent is making me very leery of my purchase. This is supposed to be a Coach leather bucket bag. I'm guessing it's not a structured bag. I hope not. The bucket bags that I have seen, all of them, you know, they have a little structure on the bottom. So I paid kind of a premium price for this, so I'm hoping that it is worth the price that I paid. Okay. These bags are so hard to open. If you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, giving me a like or comment, giving me a helping hand to open this bag. Okay, I got it. Okay. So this kind of smells kind of, I don't know if this is the plastic. It smells kind of funny. This is definitely not at all what I pictured, at all what I expected. It's cute though. It's definitely cute, but I don't like how they packaged it. Let's give her some structure. Okay. There we go. She's cute. Okay. So that's what she looks like. She is a crossbody, maybe. She is adjustable. Let me see. Why do I want to do this first? Okay. Ha! Yeah. It's right there. Yeah. There's one more. It has one more setting, one more grommet that I can move it down to. The tag is kind of in a weird place. Oh, this side has one too. So yeah, if I need to, I can go a little bit more. I was expecting it would be like more structured, like my brown bag. Here's the front of it. Yeah, because right here it has Coach. Yeah, the Coach emblem there with the little carriage right there. Here's the side. It has the Coach tag. It's a big tag, and it's got a big chunky key chain thingy to it. The color is like copper, maybe, kind of a brushed copper. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Strap again. Here's the bottom. It's like my hand's bigger than this. This actually though is a good size for me. A very good size for me. It's got plenty of room. It's got the black, I'm not sure if you can see that, the black CC lining in it. Does it have any pockets? It does have a small zip pocket. It's kind of a deep pocket. I wonder if my phone will fit. Oh yeah, my phone, it won't zip. My phone will stick out just a little bit. But yeah, it goes all the way, almost the length of the purse. It probably does hit the bottom of the purse. The handbag, let's see. It has, let's look at the creed here. This doesn't have any numbers on it. So this doesn't have any dates in it that I can tell. Is this not an authentic bag? I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to play Name that vintage-ish bag. Let's see what the name of the, or what they were saying that the name of the bag is again. Just the Coach leather bucket bag. Is all that they say. I haven't come across a bag that doesn't have, a Coach bag that doesn't have any kind of date stamp on it or on a creed or anything. So I did pay pretty premium. I thought that it was more of a structure bag. It didn't say anything about being like a slouchy bag or anything. Really nice. I mean, the leather is very soft. It has a little scuff mark there and some scuff marking in the back, but my bid was $54. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. The zipper pull. That's for a time that was like in style. It still is. I think still some companies make it. But I guess we can play name that vintage-ish bag. So the first thing is, do you know the proper name of this bag? Is it something more than just a Coach black leather bucket bag? Number two, do you know the proper color name for the bag? Number three, do you know when this bag was sold, what year it was sold, what year it was made? I'll try to put a decent Coach, the Coach creed on there. I'll try to put a decent picture of the Coach creed on there for y'all and see if y'all can help me out that way. 4, is there anything missing from this bag? 5, is there anything you want to tell me about this bag? Way overpaid for it, I'm not sure. Because with tax it's $533, shipping $769, handling $285. The order total was $69.87. Bid was $54, so technically I paid $54 plus the rest is shipping and handling and tax. She's a cute little bag. I like her. She's a cute little bag, and she can definitely be useful. And I think she's a keeper. Definitely, she's a keeper. I'm just kind of wondering more information about her. Is all I really would like to know is some more information about her. So maybe y'all can help me out. I hope. If not, I'm just here talking to myself. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope you come back for the next one. Love y'all. Bye bye.